Gaza is witnessing a new wave of violence, even as a fragile ceasefire with Israel is in place. Hamas forces have reportedly killed 32 members of a local gang in Gaza City since the truce began, while 6 Hamas personnel also lost their lives during that particular operation. Here, experts say that the campaign targeted a dangerous gang that was linked to a very prominent family in the city, aiming to restore order and prevent the chaos. So far, 24 people have been arrested and about 30 of them were wounded in these clashes. Now, this crackdown comes as a part of Hamas's effort to fill a security vacuum and stop lawlessness, looting, or any sort of gang activity that could rise now that active fighting with Israel has actually paused. While the US President, Mr. Donald Trump, has insisted that Hamas disarm as a part of a peace plan, he reportedly gave the group a green light to carry out internal security operations, telling them that we want to stop the problems, you have the approval for a period of time. Well, the gang in question isn't just any part of the main anti-Hamas rebel, Yasser Abu Shabab's faction, which operates from South Gaza near Rafah. Hamas accuses Abu of collaborating with Israel, but let me tell you, he denies any ties. Still, Hamas says that it has already eliminated a senior aide of Abu Shabab and continues to pursue him as a part of this ongoing campaign. Now, in the meantime, for the ordinary Gazans, this is a very tense moment. Families are caught between relief from the ceasefire and fear of internal violence as Hamas works to assert control over rival groups. Analysts say that this crackdown is Hamas sending a very clear message. Even during a ceasefire, nobody is allowed to challenge their authority. Experts also warn that these developments highlight the fragility of Gaza's peace, showing that even when war pauses, internal disputes and power struggles can quickly turn deadly. So the question is, will Hamas really succeed in stabilizing Gaza, or will internal conflict spark yet another round of chaos?